I'm Dr. Ramakant Reddy Dupudu, and I'm the Chief Consultant Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeon in Sunshine Hospital's Gachibowli branch. I've been a member of Sunshine family for about 5 months now, and I've previously worked in the National Health Service United Kingdom for about 12 years before joining here. I specialized in the diagnosis and treatment of various diseases or conditions affecting the mouth, jaws, face and neck. Here at the Gachibowli branch of Sunshine Hospitals, we offer a full or a comprehensive range of oral and maxillofacial surgical service, including treatment for various conditions affecting the mouth, impacted wisdom teeth, pathological conditions of the head and neck region like cysts and tumors, facial fractures and other facial injuries, temporomandibular joint disorders, salivary gland diseases, facial disproportions like protruded and retruded jaws as well as asymmetric jaws, and also head and neck cancer service. For any further information, advice or help, please make an appointment to come and see us.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.